I'm not gonna hurt you, alright? Got a bunch of old fucking women with big tits in my family. Deep breath. Deep breath, Joey.
Ow! Ow! I think I farted.
Ew! You're not supposed to tense up like that, Riri.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm just trying to pop your back.
Well, I'll just leave it hand raised. Stop it, you're gonna make me fart again.
I'm done.
The frost?
Will you just stop it?
No, I didn't say stop that. Don't step on my fingers, let's go. Up higher.
Quit fucking doing that.
Doing what?
You're making me laugh.
Oh my god.